Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use tab button to autocomplete your Linux terminal commands. Very simple to do that. Just open your terminal and then here, what you can do first, you can simply type ls and type doc and press the tab button. You can simply see the documents and the slash came up and it's completed and it happened automatically. Where you can simply use that, you can simply use that into the commands, file and directory names, paths and options. Let's try commands. Okay, and now we're going to try for the commands. If I type here gi and simply press tab, nothing happened. Press twice and then you can simply see I get all the gi related possible match in my computer. You can simply see. So you can type here ginstall.info or any of this. Let's try for the directories. Type cd and type doc. I already show you that. And type tab. The documents completed. Very simple. So now if I just clear it, then if I try to do with the multiple matches, for that if I type here cd and space type only do and then press tab. If it doesn't work first time because there are multiple choice, that's why you have to press the tab 2 times. We pressed 1 time and now another time, and here we get 2 files over here. Now let's try for the file names. If you have file names like mine, like if I just type here nano and type re and then press tab, if it's nothing showing then press another time, then if it's nothing showing then press another time. If it's not, then press another time. And if it doesn't show anything, then you have to make sure there is no such file which start with re. Got it? Now the last one for the options. It's very simple. Type ls space dash dash he and simply press tab. And you can simply see your options shows up. It's showing help. So you got the point. It's very simple to use it. Thank you so much for watching. I am expecting that you're going to like it and you're going to subscribe this channel and comment below if you like it and if you want this kind of tips and tricks for the future videos. Thank you so much again. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.